This is Peg Skate Tool review. Alright, let's get right to it. I ain't got much time. It's a Peg Skate Tool. You have a 1/2 inch for the axle bolts. You have 3/8 for your hardware bolts. And you have a 9/16 for your kingpin. And it's got an Allen head for Allen head trucks and an Allen key for Allen head hardware. It's got a Phillips screwdriver that comes in handy. Pretty nice, everything stays in there okay. Alright. And we have an axle rethreader, which is a very good thing to have on a skate tool. I've actually had to use it once, and it'll save your trucks from having to buy a new set. So that is Peg Skate Tool review. Thank you, and leave a comment.